Kasi you're high, bro.
We're gonna go inside.
Right. Alright, there you go. This is our nightlife actually. With me. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, bro. He wanted to have a bar happening, but with me, he had the perfect night ever.
Killing the toy.
Yeah. It's okay, man. Let's have an exercise in the middle of the night.
I'm taking alcohol, he's taking coffee. What the fuck, bro?
Yeah, it's to keep me awake until the morning.
and he's bringing me somewhere.
Yeah.
For exercise.
Yeah.
In the middle of the night.
We're actually going to the park. Yeah. And since I missed one of the parks in my hometown, Burnham Park, there's a lot of things that they do there, man. We're actually here in this place.
After 3 months of not seeing McDonald's in my fucking life.
My favorite place, actually.
Yeah. In Phnom Penh, in Cambodia, they don't even have any McDonald's or only Burger King in Loteria.
It's one of the reasons why I don't want to go there.
3 months. Finally.
Do you want to dine in?
No fast food for me.
Or yeah, and then he ended up dining in. When you have errands to do, mga ganun ba? Kaya mo na yan. Naubos na yung kape mo. Haven't finished mine yet. Businessman. Ano yung business mo, bro? Monkey business?
Monkey business. Hey! So welcome to another travel vlog. Yeah, we're actually crossing the streets now. Oh no, this is the cross-border series of travel vlog. Our travel here in Saigon. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, by the way, my name is Mark and this is Mr. Pineapple, Mr. Tom. So we're the Teppanbae. Yeah, so this is a part 3 of the series, of course. Currently we're crossing the street. So yeah, actually we're gonna go to Ho Chi tunnels, which is it's a historical place here in Vietnam. What can you say about Vietnam? Since you're the new guy here.
Speechless, man.
Well,
I can't say nothing more.
Vietnam has great food, amazing people, great place to roam around and to shop also as well.
Yeah.
They've got a lot of things here in Ho Chi Minh City compared to the places I've been. Yeah. We're gonna try soon.
I've never tasted that, man.
Oh, is it? So we ordered the duck meat. It's a special best of the best of pho. So all the things are there. We got the beef brisket and stuff. We're just waiting for the order. Tom also ordered the pho duck bit as well, and we ordered the iced lemon tea for panulak. For panulak. So yeah.
Ayoko yan. Hindi ako kumakain ng damo. Around 1 hour 45 minutes together with Mr. Tom, the gangster. Alright. So I'll see you around later. We just arrived at the Ho Chi Minh house. It's been 2 hours, I guess. 2 hours. Just running some errands right now. Yeah, the time is
2:20 or 2:19.
So yeah, we're gonna start going inside,
And we'll show you.
we'll show you what's inside the Ho Chi Tunnel. The tour guide was telling us what's the brief history about Ho Chi tunnels. Why did the Vietnamese put Ho Chi tunnels here, this place? Yeah, so later we're gonna show you and yeah, let's go.
You go inside and you might recycle around 2 hours.
Great.
People
It's a great exercise.
It's a great exercise. So yeah, we're at the entrance of the Ho Chi tunnel.
Yeah, so they said that we'll be walking for like 2 hours and use that exercise.
So we got the ticket over here. So yeah, need our Ho Chi.
Yeah, we got some tickets.
So we got 2 tickets.
Yeah, of course, it's the both of us now.
Oh, this is only for me.
Okay.
We're still looking for the microphone.
So this is what it looks like inside.
So this is
Okay, so it's just gonna show us the map.
So yeah, currently we're explaining about what did the Vietnamese did during the Vietnam War. So we're touring around.
Tell me, can you feel it too?
If American, they know the street door, they will put their explosive, the water, and the tear gas into the tunnel. But with the water, not enough. Because the tunnel is long, not enough water.
Don't come out! Don't come out!
And
The soldiers are coming!
They just come out and open the door. They go away. American, they can cut them.
Americans are coming!
Good luck.
Yeah, let's step on it and then.
Good luck, Americans. No wonder. Currently we're at the trench.
Yeah.
So the Vietnamese jet comes
Come out of this
come
hole.
out from this hole.
And they run here. Okay, this is one of the trenches.
To fight here.
Yeah, and then they would pull out their gun and then try to shoot their enemies in this
Bang,
side.
bang.
Alright. It's good to know.
Fun facts.
Yeah.
Moving on.
Hear me now? Can you hear me crying out like an animal out in the wild? I shout your name into the night. Tell me, can you feel it too? Feel the love just like I do. Only you can make it
Everybody want to shoot on the gun?
shout your name into the
Okay. Okay, so
Can we fly drone here?
I will ask them.
Okay, can we to the military? I see. So I guess we're gonna shoot some guns.
we're actually here in this place, so they would give you a chance to.
I believe the last time I went here was years ago. We tried to fire some M60. Oh no, AK-47.
I want to try that. So let's go. Okay, so we're going to try.
Yeah, gunshots are too loud, so we need to.
Time of war.
So it would really be So he's gonna fire the gun next me.
Okay, so we're actually on one of the bomb craters here.
Now we
that was
know-
dropped. Okay, in the wall.
So so now we know where did the bomb came from.
Okay.
Bomb.
Okay, there you go.
Yung filter. So we got some LED light. Always prepared. We're Boy Scouts.
Yeah. So there's the hole.
Fire in the hole.